Welcome viewers. Those who have seen my last video, you have seen that I have talked about the concept of guarantee and have done it by using the journal entries. Now I'll explain to you the concept of guarantee but by the way of the profit and loss appropriation account, and I'll also explain to you the adjustment entry which needs to be done for the partner who has been given a guarantee. In this question, we can clearly see that there are three partners, Meeta, Rita and Sita, and they have a PSR of 5:3:2. Sita was given a minimum guarantee of 15,000 by both the partners. Any shortfall to be contributed equally by the partners. This is very important. Please see at the top, the profit sharing ratio is given as 5:3:2, but if there is a shortfall, that shortfall will be taken equally by the partners. The capital of the partners were 1,50,000, 1 lakh and 1 lakh respectively, which means the capital of Meeta was 1,50,000, capital of Rita and Sita were 1 lakh each. Rita had drawn 15,000 during the year, therefore there is only one partner who has drawn 15,000 during the year. The partnership deed provides interest on capital is 6% per annum, interest on drawing 12% per annum. The profit of the year was 90,000. We are asked to prepare the profit and loss appropriation account and pass the adjustment entry. The question clearly states what we have to do. We have to prepare the profit and loss appropriation account, and after that we have to pass an adjustment entry to show the shortfall of the guaranteed profit. After reading the question, we have come to this conclusion that there are three partners over here, Meeta, Rita and Sita, and they have invested 1,50,000 and 1 lakh and 1 lakh respectively. And there is one of the partners who has withdrawn 15,000, which has been mentioned over here, Rita has withdrawn. The partnership deed has provided interest on capital at 6% and interest on drawing at 12%, and have already transferred the profit, you can see, at 90,000. That is, the profit of the year 90,000 has been transferred. Moreover, the question has also stated that the profit sharing ratio between the partners is 5:3:2, and one of the partners, that is the last partner, Sita, has been given a guarantee of 15,000. Now let's get started and see if she is actually getting 15,000 or not. So step number one is the calculation of interest on capital, and here the interest on capital is given as 6%. It can be done mentally, or you can also do it the calculation, that is 1,50,000 into 6 by 100, or you can do it mentally also. That will come to 9,000. So first step first, we'll write over there in the debit side to interest on capital. And we have three partners, Meeta, Rita and Sita. And if you see very carefully, it will be 9,000, 6,000 and 6,000. So if you take the total of this, 9,000 plus 6,000 plus 6,000 gives us a total of 21,000. So that is the total interest on capital of the three partners. Now let us move on to the credit side and let us see what will be the interest on drawing. So by interest on drawing count, there is only one partner who has withdrawn 15,000, 12%. Date is not mentioned, therefore it is always for half year. So we are doing this calculation over here. You may do it, you may not do it. You can use your calculator and you will find it out that the amount is coming to 900. Now you can see the credit side totals to 90,900. And there is only one entry in the debit side, which is the interest on capital, which is 21,000. Now we can get the profit of the firm, 90,900 minus 21,000, that will give you 69,900. This is the profit. Okay, so now we'll distribute 69,900 in the given ratio 5:3:2. So it is a very simple calculation. 69,900 divided by 10 gives you 6,990. So 6,990 into 2, the first partner will get 13,980. Now 13,980 divided by 2 multiplied by 3 will give you a figure of 20,970. That is the share of second partner Rita. And the share of first partner will be just half of 69,900 because the share is 5 by 10 and 5 by 10 is half. So if you calculate half of 69,900, the amount comes to 34,950. 34,950. Now who was promised? Last partner, Sita, was promised that she would get 15,000. Is she getting? No, she is not getting 15,000. And see very carefully, she has got 13,980. So what is the shortfall? The shortfall over here is 1,020. The shortfall is 1,020 to make this figure 15,000. This shortfall of 1020, that's 1020, will not be met in their profit sharing ratio 5:3. Rather, it will be made equally by the partners. Therefore, they will actually contribute 510 each. So now we will subtract 510 from here and 510 for here, and that will give us each share's profit. So you have 34,950 minus 510 gives you 34,440, and here you have 20,970 minus 510 will give you 20,460. So you can see very carefully that from 34,950 I have subtracted 510 to get 34,440, and from 20,970 I have subtracted 510 to get 20,460. So this is the final profit which is being given to the partners, that is to Mita and to Rita, and as promised by the firm that the last partner Sita would get 15,000. She is getting 15,000. There was deficiency of 1020, which was met by the two partners in equal ratio 1:1. So now we write to profit transfer. Where is it transferred? It is transferred to the capital account. And we have Mita, we have Rita, and we have Sita, and we have calculated how much. That is 34,440 to the first partner, 20,460 to the second partner, and 15,000 to the last partner because Sita was given the promise. The calculation has been shown over here. How will we calculate the minimum promise which was to be given, and we have done that. Now the question is also asked to do a journal entry for the adjustment of the deficiency, and you can see over here very clearly that the first partner and the second partner has given 510 each. So therefore we'll do the journal entry over here. Mita's capital account debit, Rita's capital account debit to Sita's capital account. How much? 510, 510 and 1020. The deficiency of Sita has been met equally by the two partners, and therefore 1020 divided by 2, 510 and 510 has been met by both. So I hope you understood the calculation. This sum is a bit different from the previous sum which we had done. In the previous sum we had just done the journal entries. Here we have done the profit and loss appropriation account, and also we have done the final journal entry where two partners have given to the third partner who was not getting the actual amount which was promised, 15,000. After solving this sum, in the next sum I will come up with the same type of a sum in which we'll see more than one adjustments. Here we have just seen interest on capital and interest on drawing. In that case we'll see everything, and we'll do a sum which has actually come in the board examinations, and we'll actually try to understand how students make mistake in those types of sums. Keep watching my channel. Thank you.